Okay, here are the instructions on how to complete the Heian Japan culture assignment. What you're going to do is you can open up the YouTube video and listen to this strange guy talk about the Heian culture simultaneously while you complete the graphic organizer. You can watch it all at once and go back. It's up to you, but I would do it simultaneously. I'll click on the assignment. Many of you guys get to this point and think, oh no, I can't type on the document. But remember, you just have to open in new window, wait for it to load, go up here to open with Google Docs, and there you have it. Now you are able to edit your document. Now again, as you watch the video, I would stop the video once you get to fashion and read from the notes and jot down 3 important facts for fashion. Move on in the video to the notes section where it talks about literature. Jot down 3 different main points from those notes. Move on or move forward in the video where it talks about visual arts. Jot down your 3 main points, and so on and so forth. Okay? Make sure your name is on this. And as always, go back to the Google Classroom and turn it in. All of your work will be saved in Google Docs. Hope this helps. Thank you very much.